What's up everybody, I've been using the Note 10 Plus since 2019 and I love it. It is the best phone I ever owned, but I've decided to upgrade to the S22 Ultra US version, which I got just a couple of days ago, and I plan on making some comparison videos between those two phones. In today's video I'm testing the Wi-Fi performance. I'm in Orlando, Florida. I have a Spectrum Internet 400 megabit per second connection, and my router is an Asus AX3000 Wi-Fi 6. I've got some interesting results. Let's check them out. Well, I didn't expect that. The Note 10 Plus does slightly better on the 5 GHz connection. I even ran the test twice, and on the second time, the Note 10 Plus was even better than the S22 Ultra. Not really sure what's going on here. If you guys have any idea why that is, I'd appreciate it. I'll run some more tests for the next video, and thanks for watching.